Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhed vlog, and today I will show you how to do this bucket hat. The materials that I use is mainstay anti-peel acrylic yarn and 5mm hook. First, we're going to do a magic ring or a magic circle. So first, grab your yarn and form an X. Next, grab your hook and insert on the bottom yarn, and then grab the top yarn, twist, and bring it up. And now you can use your other fingers to hold your hook, and now you're good to go to do a single crochet. You start by doing 2 chain, and after that do 10 double crochet inside of the ring. To do this, yarn over, insert your hook on the magic ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through on 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through on the last 2 loops, and we're done on our first double crochet. Repeat this and make 9 more double crochet. If you want to learn more about the magic ring, I have one tutorial about this, and I will put the link on the description box below. When you're done doing your double crochet, pull the yarn ends to form a circle. And after that, do a slip stitch to join the first and the last stitch. To start with the second row, chain 2 and then make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Repeat doing this until you reach the end of the row. Now, to join them together, do a slip stitch. Remember guys that when we are moving to the next row, we always start by chaining 2. Now the sequence for row 3 is that on the first stitch, you will do 1 double crochet, and then on this next stitch, that's the time you will do the increase. So increase meaning is that you're going to do 2 double crochet on 1 stitch. So do that alternate until you reach the end of the row. This is the end of row 3. Now join them together by slip stitch. To begin with row 4, chain 2. For row 4, the sequence will be 2 double crochet in each stitch and an increase. So on the third stitch, that's the time you will do 2 double crochet on 1 stitch, and do this alternate until you reach the end of the row. 2 chains to begin with row 5. So the sequence for row 5 is 3 double crochet in each stitch and increase. Here are the patterns for row 6, 7, and 8. This is for the medium size only, and for larger head, you can always add more rows. Now we're moving on to the body of the bucket hat. To do that, chain 2, and make double crochet in each stitch, but you're going to insert your hook on the back loop only. On this part, no more increase. This is how it looks like. So the direction now is going downward. Now do a slip stitch and we're going to move on the next row. Start with chain 2 and do double crochet on each stitches. Repeat this pattern until you finish 4 rows. To start with your brim, chain 2 and make 7 double crochet on each stitch and an increase. But you're going to insert your hook on the front loop only. This is how it looks like. The direction now is going horizontally. Continue doing this until you reach the end of the row. Here are the patterns for row 16, 17, and 18. Follow these steps and we're done on the brim of the hat. To secure the ends, chain 1 and pull the yarn to make it tight and then cut. You can also use your needle to hide the extra yarns. This is it, guys, the finished product. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial and updates. Thank you and goodbye.